Welcome to the kitchen. Today we're going to cook cheeseburgers, more specifically, smash burgers. Are we done rolling yet, Ellen? Getting kind of awkward. All right, forget it. I'm just gonna start the show. Here are the ingredients that we're gonna use today. Okay, first we're gonna start off with a little bit of ground beef. Okay, this is just regular chuck with the 80% lean, 20% fat. And again, I like that ratio just because, again, it adds a nice juiciness to the burger. Anything a little less makes the burger a little bit more dry, and we don't really want a dry burger. So again, preferably 80 to 20. On top of that, if you are trying to eat healthy, don't eat a burger, eat a salad instead. Okay. Next, we are going to slice up some onions. And we are going to afterwards put it on a pan, and we are going to grill them, caramelize them till this natural sweetness. Next, we are going to use a tomato. We're going to slice that up and add that to our burger. We're going to use American cheese, some butter. We're going to spread that all over the bun.
Too much of anything is not good for you, baby.
And we are going to toast it afterwards. Again, nice crispiness or toastiness coming from the bun. And then lastly, we need mustard, some pickles, as well as mustard or mayonnaise. Okay, these three items you're going to use to create the animal style sauce. I like to kind of do equal parts of these two together, and then if you like pickles, add more pickles to it. You can put in some ketchup if you choose to. However, that's not normally what goes in to the animal style sauce, so you don't need to include that. But I know that my wife, she really likes ketchup, so I definitely got to include that. And lastly, we're going to include some greens. Okay, this is just some regular iceberg lettuce left over from last night's salad. So we're going to add that for some nice crispiness to it as well. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to it. So we're going to kind of go through the process of it, and then afterwards I'm going to roll the short montage because again, I'm not really good at multitasking, so it's hard for me to explain and cook all at the same time without burning anything. So I'm gonna kind of walk you guys through the process of cooking it, and then afterwards I'll roll a clip for you. Oh, did you see that? First, you're gonna need a spatula. You're gonna need two spatulas, in fact, okay? What you're gonna do is you're gonna take the spatula and then you're gonna use the one without the holes, okay? Because again, you're gonna smash a burger, and if there are holes, it's gonna go through the little crevices and grooves, and then it's not gonna hold together very well. Put the spatula on top of one another, and then you're gonna go over the ball of meat later, and you are going to smash it, and then using the other one, you're gonna kind of help flatten out the sides of the patty like so, okay? And I'll demonstrate that later as when we are cooking. Okay, you can definitely, okay, so if you wanna cook, the reason why I like doing the smash burger style is because I like getting that nice crust on the top and bottom of the burger. from the, what's that word?
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
Oh, you get a nice crust when the burger is caramelizing, okay? And then when it caramelizes, you all of a sudden you get all these different textures coming from the meat. You get a nice crispiness, and then you got the nice softness and juiciness coming from the inside. Okay, so again, that's kind of why I like doing the smash burger style, again, because there's like a lot of different textures. Texture is good, lots of different flavors coming from it. So again, that's something that I prefer. All right, so you're gonna first start off with the ground beef. You are going to roll it up kind of like a meatball. You don't need to mix anything in there, just purely just the ground beef. And then you're gonna roll it into a ball, into a nice palm size. And then afterwards, once you have all your patties kind of like rolled up, you're gonna put it in the fridge because of the fact that this thing is going to crumble if you don't do that, okay? So to kind of hold the shape and prevent the burger patty from crumbling when you throw it onto the pan or the flat top, put it into the fridge. Then afterwards,
slicing up the onions, and you are going to throw in the pan.
okay. Once we get that started and grilling, then you can go ahead and cut up everything, prepare the sauce, and all of that good stuff. Okay, so come on, let's get going. Let's get started.